Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are creating this smooth paperclip style model step by step using Swift in SolidWorks. Perfect for beginners and intermediate users. So let's get started. Now start by selecting front plane and sketch and pause the video. As you can see, the dimension I have shown. Okay, select Swift and circular path, and the diameter will be 2. It doesn't fit, so I'm going to use less than 2 mm and hit the green check. Now next step, I'm going to change the appearances. Apply a glossy red appearance to give it a realistic look. You can also enable real view graphics for better reflection. Thanks for watching.